Reading text. Jasper P. Cafe Dining. Services. Jasper P. Reading text. The Hardware Lab. Major League Hacking believes that hackers should have access to the latest and greatest technology. At the MLH Hardware Lab, you can check out devices to hack on during the hackathon. There is someone near you. This is a Red Bull energy drink, original 8.4 ounce. Founding up a code. Looking it up. This is an Escape Taster's Choice House Blend Instant Coffee, 7 ounces. Describing what you're looking at. You're looking at 2 solo cups. Describing what you're looking at. You're looking at black and gray laptop computer.